Hi foodies, welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at some of my favorite pasta dishes. Pasta is so versatile and comforting and easy to make. Let's get into a few of my favorites. Alright, macaroni salad guys. This is like the perfect side dish for a barbecue, a holiday dinner, or even a regular dinner. Easy to make. Really tasty dressing. Make your pasta. And then you can add some veggies if you want to. So mix everything together and you chill it in the fridge, and that's it. Another favorite of mine, guys, is my Stovetop Mac and Cheese. Really simple recipe. No flour needed, no roux needed. You boil your pasta, you make a really nice and silky cheese sauce, and you toss them together. That's literally it. Everything done on the stovetop, and it tastes better than that boxed stuff. Trust me. Easy to make. What if you want to make a pasta dish with some cheese involved and some veggies? The Brocoli-Leek Bake is absolutely tasty, okay? What you're going to be doing is cooking these in some butter so they get some flavor, and then we will make the pasta, of course, and a creamy cheesy sauce. Mix everything together, put it in the oven, and then it gets some really nice golden brown crispy edges. Really good. Here's another of my favorites, the pesto chicken pasta. My husband loves this recipe a lot. It's fresh basil, pine nuts, cheese. There's also some garlic and olive oil. Really nice and herby. All of this can actually be done by hand. And if you don't want to, then you can use a food processor of some sort. Once you make that delicious pesto, then you use some to marinate the chicken. Leave some over though to toss with the pasta. So season the chicken, cook the pasta, then we're going to be grilling up the chicken breasts. Nice and juicy with those beautiful grill marks. You can also marinate some cherry or grape tomatoes and grill them as well. So what we're going to do is toss the pasta with the pesto and then top it off with the chicken and tomatoes. My jerk shrimp Rasta pasta, guys. This is so delicious. It's kind of using an Alfredo sauce of some sort, but there are a lot of Caribbean flavors in here. There are colorful, beautiful veggies. You can see the vibrance. It just reminds you of Caribbean cooking. At this point, guys, we add some butter to the pan. We do not use a fresh pan, okay, because there are flavors in the bottom of this pan right now. And then we add a lot of Caribbean seasonings, and we go in with the beautiful vibrant veggies, and we make the creamy sauce. But this creamy sauce, it does have that jerk flavor to it. It's really tasty, and you can control how hot you want the jerk to be by using more or less, or medium heat versus extra spicy. For my easy sausage pasta, guys, I usually use pre-cooked sausage. I just want to brown it up a little bit in the pan to give it some more color. And then what we do is cook some veggies, we make a cream sauce, we make the pasta and mix everything together. Now, most times I do a creamy sauce for this. Sometimes I will do like a marinara sauce. If you don't like a creamy sauce, marinara sauce works perfectly for this recipe. And finally, guys, we have the vegan Rasta pasta. This was so delicious. I was shocked because I am not vegan, of course, but this dish was actually super satisfying. We do it similar to the shrimp Rasta pasta in that we're using the jerk flavors and those beautiful veggies. However, we use coconut cream or a rich coconut milk instead of, the heavy cream or whipping cream. And then we use dairy-free cheese. And that's it, guys. Really simple and delicious vegan Rasta pasta. You are gonna love it. Please let me know in the comment section which of these recipes you've tried already, or if there is one you have in mind to try. But I know you will enjoy all of them. Once you do the recipes, come back and let me know what you think. And remember to check the description box for all the links to these complete videos. Okay? See you next time.